Welcome to part 2 of the Working with Android Enterprise using ZENworks video series. In this video, we shall demonstrate the tasks that Roger, the administrator of XYZ Corporation, needs to perform before Peter and Anna, who are employees of his organization, enroll the devices to ZENworks in the Work Profile and Work Managed Device modes respectively. To begin with, Roger needs to first enroll for the Android Enterprise program. To do this, he needs to create an Android Enterprise subscription in ZENworks Control Center or ZCC to enroll his organization to the program. In the Getting Started page, he clicks Create Enterprise Subscription. He specifies the subscription name. On this page, he specifies the Novell Customer Center credentials and clicks Enroll. On clicking the Enroll button, a sign-up UI page hosted by Google Play is displayed. Roger signs in using his corporate Google ID credentials. He clicks Get Started and begins by specifying his organization's name. He can also specify the data protection regulation details. He then moves on to accepting the terms and conditions of the Android Enterprise program and clicks Confirm. On clicking Complete Registration, he is redirected back to the ZCC page. In ZCC, he clicks Next. He now links the user context that is associated with both Peter and Anna to the Android Enterprise subscription. Roger can also select the language in which the app details should be displayed in the Apps Catalog page, such as the runtime permissions and managed configuration parameters. A folder where the associated Android app bundles should be saved can also be selected by Roger. He now proceeds to click Finish. An Android Enterprise subscription is successfully created. Roger now needs to assign some policies to Anna and Peter's devices to enable enrollment of their devices to ZENworks. He first creates the Mobile Enrollment Policy. A mobile enrollment policy is required for the basic enrollment of any mobile device to ZENworks. He then goes back to the Getting Started page and creates the Android Enterprise Enrollment Policy. This policy is required to enroll an Android device in the Work Profile or Work Managed Device mode. He assigns both the policies to the same user context that was linked to the subscription. Alternatively, he can also assign the policies individually to Anna and Peter. He just needs to ensure that these individual users are a part of the user context that is associated with the subscription. Roger can now have Peter and Anna enroll their devices, which is demonstrated in the next set of videos.